Let's go to Visual Studio Code. If we take a look at our project structure here, we have a source folder here. Most of our code will be written in this directory, and we have an app folder inside of it. Here we have two important files. One is app.component.html and app.component.ts. Let's open the first one. If I write some text here, this is a test. I save it. We can see in our browser that the change has been applied. Similarly, if I go to app.component.ts and I write some text here, 1, 2, 3, and I save it, you can see that our change is showing in the browser. But we will start clean. We will remove all of this code, and in app.component we will remove this line. I will change the spacing to 4 here, and now we will format the document. This is good. Same thing here. Now we will start building our UI. First of all, we will create an h1 and it will contain the following text: Angular CRUD with Firebase, Firestore and Bootstrap 4. Next we will create a div, and this div will contain Bootstrap row class, which will have 2 column classes in it. On the left side of the screen, we will create a form which user can fill to add the product, and on the right side we will have a product list which will show all of the products in the table. So first of all, we will create the left side which will contain the form. So we will add a Bootstrap card, and this card will have a card body in it, and this card body will contain card title in it. This card title will have a text of product.